Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So it's time to get ready for next week and look at the must-do deals for CVS. These deals are going to start on Sunday, the 2nd, and go through the following Saturday. So we are getting some amazing coupons this weekend. I can't stress enough. I would definitely buy at least one insert. I bought a set of 4, so it's going to be 4 of each set of inserts. I purchased mine from bqsavings.com. Because there are so many hot coupons, I wanted to get multiples, and it just made sense for me to grab 4 sets of them instead of grabbing multiple of the individually clipped coupons, which I do sometimes as well. Those I buy on thecouponmarketplace.com. So make sure you check out the description box. There's tons of information for you guys, from where I buy my inserts, where I buy my individually clipped coupons, videos on Fetch Rewards if you're new to that rebate app, as well as Ibotta, and some beginner-friendly videos. So definitely check that out in the description box. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell. I will be choosing 2 winners from my giveaway tomorrow, Friday, in my second Walgreens haul. So I have some amazing scenarios that I put together for another haul for Walgreens, so I'm super excited to share that with you guys. I will be choosing the winner on Instagram tomorrow as well, so make sure you check both. If you haven't entered yet, there's still time. Check the description box. There will be a link for the video to enter my giveaway as well. You will be getting a $10 CVS gift card and over $50 worth of beauty products. So I'm super excited to announce those winners tomorrow. Good luck to everyone. Fingers crossed it is your name that is pulled. So let's go ahead and dive into these deals for CVS. There are some amazing deals, a super beginner-friendly hot deal on NYX Lip Cosmetics. And of course, we have some moneymakers depending on what CRTs you have. So the first deal I want to share with you guys, there is a ton of hair care deals going on next week. We're getting a ton of hair care coupons in the inserts, but also all of the hair care coupons from the PG inserts, and a lot of those are now going to be digital coupons. So typically how it works at CVS, when the PG insert comes out, that week there's no digitals for those items. The following week, they make the items digital. So like the Pantene, the Tide, we should be getting digital coupons on Sunday. So make sure you check your accounts. So L'Oreal is buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. What you're going to do, you can mix and match shampoo or conditioner, or grab 2 of 1, doesn't matter. Then we are getting a 3 off of 2 coupon in one of the Retail Me Not inserts. We're getting 2 different Retail Me Not inserts. You'll pay $5, get back the $2 extra buck. Final cost is $3 for both, or just $1.50 each. So you don't need any CRTs or anything with this. I do have a scenario towards the end for using a 4 off of 18 hair care CRT if you have it. So if you do, stay tuned. I put together a great deal where you can get them for 50 cents each. The $8, of course, will also track towards CVS Beauty. When you spend $30 in beauty products, hair care is included, makeup, facial care, things like that, you'll get an additional $3 beauty buck, which works just like an extra buck, same as cash at CVS. L'Oreal facial care. I love the L'Oreal Age Perfect Moisturizer. That is what I put on every time I get out of the shower because my face gets super dry, and I love the moisturizer. It doesn't make my skin feel super oily or anything, so definitely recommend that if you haven't tried it. So they are on sale. When you spend $30, you're going to get a $10 extra buck. We do have $2 coupons coming in the Retail Me Not as well. The picture I saw was a little blurry, but I think it said a limit of 2, which is why I put that you're only using 2 of the coupons. Hopefully we'll get a printable or a digital. That way we can save an additional $2, which would make this entire thing completely free. So the scenario I put together, you're going to grab any of the L'Oreal Age Perfect Moisturizers. There's a couple different ones you can get in the range in pricing. One of them is $21.99, and 2 of the Ideal Facial Cleansers. They're $4.99 each. That'll bring your total to $31.97. My store actually has the wipes a little cheaper. I think they're like $4.29. So if you want to grab 2 of those instead or mix and match, sometimes it just depends what your store has in stock. A lot of times they don't have a lot of those in stock. Then what you're going to do is use 2 of the $2 facial care coupons. If you have a $7 Age Perfect CRT, definitely add that. A 5 off 22 facial care CRT. Now, if you have the 5 off of 15 L'Oreal facial care, if you have 2 of them, like one from the previous week that expires on Sunday, and then you get another one on Sunday, you can use both of those. That would take off $10 because they're 2 spend amount CRTs, but they're $15 and $15, and we're spending over $30 in products, so that would be fine. From the scenario I have for you here, you'll pay $15.97, get back a $10 extra buck, and you're spending $30 right here on beauty. So you'll get a $3 beauty buck just from this deal alone. Making your final cost $1.97 for 3 items or 66 cents each. If you have 2 Age Perfect CRTs, you can definitely add those, use both of them. Tons of ways for this to be a moneymaker and a very easy freebie. Colgate Toothpaste is buy 2, get a $4.50 extra buck again. This deal is a limit of 2, so it'll always tell you in the ad the limit of how many times you can do the deal and how many times you'll get the extra bucks back. We are getting 50-cent coupons in our Sunday paper. That's what the scissors mean. So the deal I put together, you're going to grab 4 of the toothpaste. They're $3.49 each, which will bring you to $13.96. The limit on the 50-cent coupons is 4, so you can go ahead and use 4 of them. I have a 3 off of 10 Colgate Oral Care CRT that I'm going to definitely use with this deal. And if you have a $3 off whitening kit or treatment CRT, definitely send that to your card. You can use that with this deal. The reason why I say send that CRT to your card is because you can then click shop this deal, figure out exactly what toothpaste from Colgate it works on. Usually it's some of the like Colgate Total SF Daily Repair. There's another one that it works on as well, but you want to make sure you're grabbing the right ones. You'll pay $6.96, get back a $9 extra buck because you're going to get back $4.50 2 times because you're buying 4. Final cost is completely free and a $3.04 moneymaker. So amazing. I'm super excited about doing this deal. If you have a $2 off of 4 tubes of toothpaste CRT, I've gotten that a couple times. You can definitely throw that in here as well. Then you're having a $5 moneymaker on your hands. So fingers crossed we all get some amazing CRTs this next coming week. Okay guys, this is that hot lip product that I was talking about in the beginning. Super beginner friendly. I have a CRT that I threw in here. I had this CRT last week. Of course, it already expired, bummer, but that means it is floating around, so I still wanted to put it in this deal in case you have that CRT. So the NYX lip products are going to be on sale, 2 for $11.98, which is amazing. I like the NYX matte cosmetics. I've used them a couple times and I really like their matte lipstick. So what you're going to do is grab 2 of them. You can grab the lip gloss, whichever. I just put matte here because that's what I'm going to grab. If you have a 3 off of 10 NYX CRT or a 3 off of 12 any cosmetic CRT, you can use either or. You'll pay $8.98, get back a $10 extra buck, making your final cost completely free and a $1.02 moneymaker. The $11.98 again will track towards CVS Beauty. Suave hair care. So I have a couple different scenarios listed right here for you. So I'm going to go over them both. The Checkout 51 offer reset again for the 3rd time. So the first time I posted that run deal where we could claim it up to 3 times. I did the deal and I ran to Walmart and I posted that on my channel for you guys. Then it reset, but you can only claim it once. So I did it again. I checked this morning, it reset again. So what a better way to use it than to get a nice freebie and moneymaker at CVS. So what you're going to do, they are 2 for $6. And when you buy 2, you're going to get a $2 extra buck. The offer is a limit of 1. So grab 2 of the Suave Professionals. we are getting a 3 off of 2 coupon from the Unilever insert. You're going to pay $3, get back a $2 extra buck, submit to checkout 51. Here is my code if you are new to checkout 51. If you haven't downloaded it yet, definitely get it downloaded. You can submit for $2 back, making your final cost completely free and a $1 moneymaker. Now, the asterisks are some CRTs. If you have a 2 off of 2 Suave hair care CRT that definitely floats around, you're going to want to add that in with this deal. You'll pay $1, get back $2, and you'll get back the $2 from the checkout 51 deal again, of course, making your final cost free and a $3 moneymaker. Again, the $6 tracks towards CVS Beauty. Dove hair care, we're not getting any extra bucks back, but I have gotten quite a few CRTs for Dove, so I wanted to put together this scenario for you. I think Dove is on Fetch Rewards. My fetch, for some reason, is like 4 days late, so other people get the Fetch Reward bonuses sooner than it hits my account. I'm not really sure why. Some accounts do vary, so a lot of my deals expire today, so I'm hoping tomorrow it'll hit my account and I can use it for my deals next week. So definitely check your Fetch Rewards account. If you're new to Fetch, here is my code, J24VT. When you scan your receipt, any receipt laying around your house or ladies in your purse, I always have like 15 receipts in my purse at all times, you will get some additional bonus points, 2,750 points. But you have to make sure you're scanning a receipt. You have to make sure you're scanning a receipt within 7 days of entering that code, so make sure you don't forget. So what you can do for the Dove, they are $8 for 2. We're getting a 3 off of 2 coupon in our Sunday's inserts. And I have a $2 Dove hair care CRT. I also keep getting a 3 off of 10 Dove hair care CRT. But of course, these are 2 for $8, so that would not apply. You'll pay $3 or $1.50 each. Then if you have bonus points on Fetch Rewards, of course, that makes the deal even better. So now I wanted to put together a quick scenario if you have a 4 off of 18 hair care CRT. So what you can do is grab 2 of the Suave, 2 of the Dove, and 2 of the L'Oreal. Coupons you're going to want to use, the 3 off of 2 Dove and the $2 Dove CRT, the 3 off of 2 Suave, 3 off of 2 L'Oreal, and the 4 off of 18 hair care CRT. So you're going to pay $7 just using these coupons and CRTs. Get back $2 extra buck for the Suave and a $2 extra buck for the L'Oreal. I forgot to put in here, you're going to get $2 back from checkout 51 as well. So your actual final cost, typo here, is going to be $1 for all 6 items or 16 cents each. So amazing. If you have a 2 off of 2 Suave hair care CRT as well, that's going to make it a nice moneymaker for you. So tons of different scenarios. Stay tuned on my channel on Sunday for my CVS haul. I will definitely be doing a hair care scenario. Irish Spring Body Wash, such a great price point to get them for just 75 cents each. We haven't had a deal like this in a little while that I've shown on my channel, so I definitely wanted to put this together for you guys because we're getting some coupons in our Smart Source insert. So this deal is a limit of 3, shows you right here at the bottom, and this I got right from the weekly ad. So they're on sale 2 for $8. When you buy 2, you're going to get a $3 extra back. So what you're going to do is grab any 2. There's a bunch of different scents available. Now, there's 2 different coupons you can use. There are 75-cent coupons coming in the majority of the Smart Source inserts. I know my Smart Source in my region is going to get the 75 cents. Some regions that I've seen on the BQ Facebook page, she has a Facebook page and a couple other people sell coupons and coupon inserts on that page. I have seen photos of some Irish Spring coupons for $1 off. So that would, of course, make this even better. But with the majority of us going to get that 75%, that's what I put in this scenario. You're going to use 2 of them. I think it's a limit of 2. I couldn't really tell, so just check the coupon when you guys get it on Sunday or sooner. If you have a 2 off of 6 or 2 off of 8 body wash CRT, you definitely want to add that with your deal. You'll pay $4.50. Then you're going to get back the $3 extra buck, making your final cost $1.50 for 2 or 75 cents each. Now, I did have some Irish Spring Body Wash send to card app only coupons on CVS.com, but I just checked my app and I didn't see them. So maybe I already sent them or they expired or something, but I'm not sure. So check your app, see if you have any app only coupons that you can use. So that is the last of the deals that I have for you for CVS next week. And of course, there are so many more. The spend 20, get a $5 extra buck. I didn't even get a chance to put that in here. Didn't want to make the video too long for you guys and save some surprises, of course, for my CVS haul. I will definitely be doing that PG deal. As always, when you're doing PG deals or purchasing PG items, make sure you're submitting that, getting your points back for the new reward program. I can't talk. New reward program on pggoodeveryday.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow in my second Walgreens haul video to see if you are the winner of my most recent giveaway. Thanks, guys. Have a good night.